Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a 5 product makeup look, a 5 product makeup kit maybe, and I have literally 5 products in front of me and I'm gonna do a very simple makeup look. I'm gonna show you how you can actually utilize your makeup products, like how you can have minimal makeup product. You don't really need too much product to do your makeup for every day, or if you are a person who don't love investing in too much makeup products, this kind of video is for you, where I have literally 5 makeup products with me, and obviously I'm using few like high-end products and few affordable products as well, so you can switch things up. Like suppose I'm using a high-end lip gloss, you can try out another lip gloss and you can just buy maybe Nika's lip gloss or any kind of affordable lip gloss that you have and you can work with it. You do not exactly need this product to create this kind of look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm going to start with my base makeup, and for my base makeup I have this product right over here. This is Rimmel London Lasting Matte Finish Foundation, and I am not a big fan of matte foundations. I just love a dewy foundation, a light coverage kind of a foundation, and this says that this is full coverage, but I always try to take just a little bit and I work it very lightly all over my skin. I do not love also that full coverage kind of a finish. So this foundation is matte, but this is so lightweight, and I reviewed this product before as well on my channel, and I personally love this product. I love this foundation. I don't know why I've not seen too many people talk about this particular product, but this is such a lightweight mousse kind of a finish, kind of a foundation. It gives a velvety touch to your skin. I'm just going to take this much, not too much, and I'm just going to spray it over my face, and I'm going to keep a little bit extra, and I'm going to show you guys that why. Gives such a beautiful coverage to your skin, and as you can see, my pimples and my acne marks as well. And I am using this foundation for some reason, and that is you can use this foundation like according to your preference. You can use it as a full coverage foundation or a light coverage foundation as well. So that's the reason I really love this particular product. And I'm gonna take the extra that I have kept and I'm gonna use it under my eyes. This is a trick that I really love doing whenever I am not feeling like applying concealer and I just don't want to layer my face too much with makeup, and this is what I do. I just take extra amount of foundation and I just love covering up my dark circles with this. In this 5 product makeup look, I haven't added any kind of powder, and that's the reason I have used this foundation and not any other foundation, because with this foundation you do not need any kind of powder to set your makeup. It sets itself so seamlessly, it looks so good after a few minutes, so I don't think you need like extra amount of powder for your face. But if you sweat a lot, or if you think that you are obviously going out during this hot summer, use some powder under your eyes, very light amount of translucent powder under your eyes, and you're good to go. But with this foundation, after it sets completely, it does not feel tacky or anything like that, and that's the reason I don't use powder with this foundation. My face, I'm gonna use this Colourpop Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade 20J2, and I am going to use it as my lip color and also as my blush, but I'm not going to use it as my lip color right now. I'm just going to use it as my blush. This is such a beautiful velvety kind of a lipstick. The formula is so good, and I'm going to use it with my fingers because I think the sponge is not working that well. Yeah, it blends so beautifully. It is such a pretty color, and any color from this range is so good. I am going to use this Colorbar eyeshadow palette, and this is a 4 shadow eyeshadow palette. You can also go for the Sugar Blender Rule eyeshadow palette. This is such a beautiful product as well. It contains pinkish, nudish kind of a shade, different color, and this is what the shadow palette looks like. Here there is like a deep grey bluish kind of a shade, like the undertone is very blue but it is grey at the same time as well, and this is a very unique shade. I'm just going to use that color today, and it looks something like this, so pretty. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use too much, I'm just going to use it with my fingers. Oh my god, I am so in love with this shade. It looks so beautiful. Now I am going to take this golden metallic shade right over here, and I'm just going to use it on my inner corners. Just like, oh wow. Looks so beautiful. And yeah, that's it for the eye makeup. And now, as you can see, my brows are like looking like a mess, and probably you are screaming, do something with your brows. I'm gonna use this PAC lower lash mascara, which is actually for your lower lash line, but I love this mascara just because of this wand. Like, the wand is so perfect, and I use it in so many different ways. I use it on my brows as my mascara and also for my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to use this particular product. You'll be like, oh my god, you're using mascara on your eyebrows. You can use anything you want. There's no rules whenever it comes to makeup. This is what it looks like. I use on my lashes as well. Now I think I'm pretty much done now. Now I'm going to use this lip color on my lips. Okay, and now I'm going to use my Fenty gloss on top of this. This is in the shade Fussy. So yeah, this is what my makeup looks like. I just added some hoop earrings, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is my full face using only 5 makeup products, and like it turned out so good, and people will be like, you have used so much product on your face, and they will never believe you just use 5 products, perfect minimal kind of a makeup look, which I think looks so pretty, so good. And yeah, I hope you guys really love this mini 5 product makeup look. If you want to see more of this, then please let me know. I would love to do that. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.